welcome back to my channel. So today is a haul video. I have a few things that I picked up in Sephora recently that I really want to share with you because I'm like kind of obsessed with that stuff. And then I have this beautiful package from Dior that I didn't open yet. This was actually, it was ordered for Valentine's Day, and as you can see they put a little sticker, like a heart sticker. They also put some tape in here. It says Dior, but anyway, this was ordered for Valentine's Day and it didn't really arrive for Valentine's Day. To be honest with you, we don't really do much for Valentine's Day. My husband usually just bring me flowers and chocolates and we're fine with that, you know. It's just like completely fine, but those are a few things I needed, you know, so I've decided to order from Dior. And yeah, they were running some specials, you know, before Valentine's, so why not? All right, we're gonna start with the Sephora very quickly because I'm obsessed with a few things. So Laura Mercier came up with their new line of primers, and the primer that I've got is the Pure Canvas Primer Perfecting Silicone Free Primer. It comes with the kind of a nice pinky tube. It's such a beautiful primer, you guys. I actually have it on today. I've been wearing for like over a week. I absolutely love it. It's very similar to Fenty Hydrating Primer, which I love very, very much. So if you have a dry skin, I think you might enjoy this primer. You know, like I said, I've been wearing for a little bit over a week. I really like it. I feel like my foundation looks beautiful, stays beautiful. So if you're in, you know, looking for a new primer, you might give it a try. They also have for, you know, like all for people with the oily skin. I think they have more like a blurring primer. There's a few that she came up with, but I wanted hydrating one because I always need hydration. So when I stopped by in Sephora, my local Sephora had display of Charlotte Tilbury, you know, makeup. Usually they don't carry, but it was like display, and I was just drawn straight into it. So I picked up three things. So let me show you guys. The first is the lipstick, and if you follow me on Instagram, and by the way, I am trying my best to be more active on the Instagram. Many of you asked me, you know, that I don't post much. I usually don't, but I'm really trying to be more active, especially like Instagram stories. I kind of have fun. I take you, you know, to my work and kind of show you a little bit around. So if you have not been following me, go ahead and check it out. Everything is in the description below, so you might go ahead and check. So I've got this lipstick. This is the Pillow Talk, but this is not the one that usually comes in the, you know, in the thicker kind of a tube. This is the one in the thinner tube, and this is more kind of a moisturizing, more hydrating. I am obsessed, you guys, with this lipstick. This is such a beautiful mauvey color. This is obviously what I'm wearing today. I've been wearing it for over a week since I got it, and I raved about this on my Instagram stories. I think it's beautiful. It's you know, the other one is more matte, her original Pillow Talk. So I'm not crazy about the matte lipstick. This one is not like too slippery, if you know what I mean. It's not like too kind of going all over the place. It has a little bit like, I would say it's like a healthy balance between matte and more like a glossy lipstick. So I really like this. I put a little bit of the lip gloss on top of it just to kind of give a little bit more shine, but I absolutely love it. I'll link it down below for you, so no worries. So you'll know which one it is. And then the next thing I've got is the blush. I wanted to get Charlotte Tilbury blush for a while, but I just never knew which color. None of my local stores carry Charlotte Tilbury, except, you know, probably that collection show up in Sephora. So I never really get a chance to kind of see it in person. So I'm sure you're all familiar with the packaging. So I picked up Cheek to Cheek, just the Pillow Talk. This is the original. They also had it Intense, but I use it today. It's a little bit dusty, but Intense would be a little bit too much. Obviously I have it on today. Oh, it is so beautiful, you guys. It blends like a dream. You don't even need like a highlighter because of the little thing. It's almost like giving you this little highlight on your cheeks. I love this so much, you guys, that I think I'm gonna go ahead and look for some more of her blushes because I'm like obsessed with this. And the last thing I've got from her is her, of course, Pillow Talk eyeshadow quad, right? How could I not buy it? Obviously, this is what I have on today on my eyes. I hope you can see it. And again, it's a beautiful, beautiful packaging. I'm so sorry for the glare, you guys. Okay, let me open this up. So again, I have been wearing this quad for over a week. How beautiful it is. And these are just my colors, you guys. I love mauvey, kind of a pinkish, you know, tone eyeshadows, and oh, this is just so beautiful. The only one that's like I'm kind of so about is this one. It's more like, I would say, a topper. I don't know if you can tell, I did put it on my eye, you know, I put this one all over the lid, and then this, you know, shiny one as a little topper. Sometimes can fall off a little bit, but yeah, I think it's such a beautiful quad. And you know, I do have her bigger palettes, and those eyeshadows just blend like a dream. So yeah, I kind of got hooked on the Pillow Talk. And I do have her lip liner, by the way. I bought it like a long time ago, which I love. They gave me, Sephora gave me a little YSL kind of sample bag, which was like surprising for me because Sephora in the US almost never gives away the samples. And if you go to Sephora in Europe, they always give you tons of samples, especially if you spend a lot of money. So okay, so I got the miniature version of the Libre, which I love. You guys know how much I love. And there is a little lipstick. How cute is that? Too bad I don't wear a red, because this is just stunning. But I don't know, I feel so kind of bad when I wear a red lipstick. I feel so out of place. I don't know. All right, let's unbox this baby because I have been waiting for it. Like I said, it came after Valentine's, and I had to wait a few days before I had a chance to do this video. So let's just unbox. You know, I always say that, you know, Chanel have very nice packaging, you know, they put a lot of effort, but I think Dior is taking it to the next level. And you know, especially, you know, when you order like a beauty stuff from Dior, they just take it to the next level. It's just so beautiful, you guys. The packaging, everything is just gorgeous. So here it is. I'm gonna show you in the full glory. So this is probably my, I don't know, maybe some paperwork. Okay, so this is how it looks like. They put beautiful sticker right in here. So let's undo this together. And the tissue paper, it says all Dior on it, by the way. And look how stunning is this. And just the fact, you know, that they take time and fold all this tissue in this beautiful, oh, it's just beautiful. Okay, so let's just go whatever it's on the top. This is their newest fragrance, Miss Dior Rose and Roses. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. And I also got like a bigger version of it, like more, you know, that you can actually use it. You have a little bit more in here. Then I don't know what's that, but I got something. Is this like a, I don't know what is this, but it says Rose and Roses, something on this. Okay, let me put this down because it gets heavy. I'm going through all the samples. So I have got two miniature samples. Oh my god, that is so cute. Look at this, guys. Look how cute is this. So this is Christian Dior Gris Dior. I don't even know how it smells, but this is from their, oh, this is beautiful. It's a little strong, but I will have to try it out. This is from their, you know, like a luxury kind of you know, collection. How cute is that? And then I've got also from their luxury collection Rouge Trafalgar. I don't even know how to say it, but this is more like a little, you know, like a little sample, a little spray. So yeah, I'm looking forward to try it. I have the other two already, so I'm kind of you know, trying some on, and hopefully I can pick a full size, you know, at some point. Okay, so now let's take a look what I've got in here. So what I've ordered, you guys, is Dune perfumes. If you've seen my perfume collection that I've done recently, I talk about this perfume, and believe it or not, I finished mine when I did that perfume video. I had a little bit left, now there's nothing, so I went ahead and repurchased, because sometimes I'm just panicking if they will discontinue this, because to me this fragrance is everything. I just love it. This and probably Coco Mademoiselle are just like my to die for. So this is the packaging of this perfumes, and I've got actually a bigger bottle. This is 100 ml. There we go. Oh my god, this is so great. Fresh perfume. This is so beautiful. Oh yes. I love it. Oh, if you haven't tried Dune yet, you gotta go and try it at the, you know, just go to the Dior counter and you can kind of, you know, smell it and test it first out, because this is just so beautiful. So I'm very happy that I've got this. Then the other thing, you guys, is in here. I recently ran out of my Amore Pacific face cleanser, and I just wanted to try something different, so I went with the, this is lotion to foam fresh cleanser, and this is from the Hydra Life line. Yes, but basically I guess you pump it out and it's gonna be like a foam. So I'm looking forward to use this. It had a very good reviews, so yeah, this is something I've got, because like I said, I just needed a new cleanser. And then I see there's one more thing, but I think these are like those extras, you know, when you usually order from Dior before Mother's Day or before, you know, like any holidays, they include some extra. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at this. You know, I'm usually not obsessed over those, what do they call them? Free gift with purchase items, you know. But this is actually really, really nice. Look at this. So that's like a little cosmetic pouch. It's beautiful. Oh my god, I don't think it's a leather. It cannot be a leather, but it feels like it's a leather, and it's very kind of modern. It says Dior here, and oh my god, it feels so nice and structured. Let me see what is the zipper pull. Look at this. How beautiful is that? Ah, oh, I am obsessed with this thing. This is gorgeous. I think I'm gonna use it. Yeah, usually like I don't even fall for those, you know, gift with purchase thing. And it feels like it's all lined. Do you see how shiny it is? It feels like it's all kind of, I don't know, what is this inside? It's so hard to tell. And it says Dior inside. I don't know, go figure. It's beautiful. So anyway, that's what I've got as an extra kind of gift. Alright guys, so this is all I have today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to my channel, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And yeah, let me know if you like Dune and if you use that cleanser, because I am obsessed with that perfume. So yeah, all the links I'm gonna leave down below if you need to check it out on, you know, some things. I'll try to find everything and include in the description box. All right, I hope you all well, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.